Welcome to MI's class. Today we'll discuss some extra problems and some extra points related to Cartesian product of two sets or three sets. Okay, let's see. Already discussed about the Cartesian product of A cross B. Just A cross B. What is A cross B? The C. Already discussed about these things. A cross B is nothing but what? The all the ordered pair set of all ordered pair elements such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. First element is from the first set, and first element from the first set, and second elements from the second sets. Okay, if it is product of three sets, A cross B cross C, so how do we write? A comma B comma C, such that A belongs to A, B belongs to B, and C belongs to C, capital C. Okay, there is first element from the first set, second element from the second set, and third element from the third set. This we have to keep in mind. Now A cross B, Cartesian product of A and B. A cross B, that A cross B, we can express this A cross B in two ways. One is graphically, and another is what? Diagrammatic, or we can say arrow diagram. Okay, as for example, if we take A is equal to, suppose A is equal to 1 comma 2 and B is equal to 3 comma 4, B is equal to 3 comma 4. So what will be A cross B? How will represent A cross B? So A cross B is equal to what? What will get? 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, then 2 comma 3, then 2 comma 4. Okay, this is the mathematical way of it, but graphically, how it represents graphically? Graphically, what do you have to do? The concept all about the plotting the points in graph, that concept you have to use here. So first you have to draw the vertical line and horizontal line, and we'll get 4 quadrants. The point of intersection is the origin O. Now we have to plot the points. We take the first value is as x coordinate and second value as y coordinate and plot the points as. So first you divide, mark the points equally on this axis, both the lines. Suppose this is already, it is there, just I am showing it roughly. Okay, not accurately, roughly, just for understanding. So 1 comma 3, this is 1, and 3, 1 2 3, this is 1 comma 3. This point is nothing but what? 1 comma 3. Next is 1 comma 4, so 1, this is 1, this is 1 comma 4, so this point is 1 comma 4. Next is 2 comma 3, so 2 comma 3, so which will be 2 comma 3? 1 2 2 comma 3, this point is 2 comma 3, this point is 2 comma 3. Next is 2 comma 4, so this point is 2 comma 4, this is 2 comma 4. So in this we have to plot graphically. Okay, and next is done. Next is what? Diagrammatically, how can you represent? Diagrammatically, how can you represent? For that, what do you have to do? A cross B, so A, this is A, this is B, so give the name of this A, B. First, the points of A you have to write. The points of A is 1 2 elements, and the elements of B is what? 3 4. Now just in this way you can use 1 is related with 3, 1 is associated with 4, 2 is associated with 3, 2 is associated with, this is diagrammatic presentation of A cross B. So A cross B, how do you can write? A cross B, how do you can write? 1 comma 3, 1 is connected with 3, 1 comma 4, then 2 comma 3, and 2 comma 4. This is the answer. Okay, So this we have to represent the things. Next point. So question may be asked in this way. Let us discuss the question. One question. Question may be asked: if A is equal to 1, 3, 5 and B is equal to x comma y, represents the product, and then represents the product of number 1 A cross B, number 2 A cross A by arrow diagram. Okay, arrow diagram. So first one, what is given? First one, A cross B. So A cross B, this is A, this is B. So A and B. In A, what are the elements? 1, 3, 5. In B, what are the elements? X, Y. So 1 is related with X, 1 is associated with X, Y, 3 is associated with X, 3 will be associated with Y, 5 is X, 5 is associated with Y. So A cross B, what will write? See, A cross B, what will write? 1 comma X, 1 comma Y, 2 comma X, 2 comma Y, then 3 comma X, 3 comma Y. Okay. Number 2. What is number 2? A cross A. This is A. This is also A. A. What are the elements of A? 1, 3, 5. Also 1, 3, 5. So A cross A. What will write? 1 is associated with 1. 1 is associated with 3. 1 is associated with 5. Okay. Next, 3 is associated with 1, 3 is associated with 3, 3 is associated with 5. Next, 5 is associated with 1, 5 is associated with 3, 5 is associated with 5. So, A cross A, what will write? 1 comma 1, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 5 comma 1, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 5. This is the answer. Okay. The question may be asked: if, next question C, if A is equal to 1 comma 2, then write A cross A cross A. Okay, how to write A cross A cross A? Solution. So if you write A cross A cross A, A cross A, first you write A cross A. What is A cross A? 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2. Then A cross A cross A. What will write? 1 comma 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2 comma 1, 1 comma 2 comma 2, then 2 comma 1 comma 1, then 2 comma 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2 comma 1, then 2 comma 2 comma 2. This is the answer. Okay. Now we can represent it by arrow diagram also. Let's see how. But here we have to do in 2 times. This is A, this is A. So 1, 2, 1, 2. This one 1, comma 2. This way. Okay. Now here also A cross A. With A. There is 1, 2. And here how do you write 4 elements? There is 1, comma 1, 1, comma 2, 2, comma 1, 2, comma 2. So these things how to represent? This one. Okay. This one. In this way it will go. Clear? This is the diagrammatic representation of the solution. Some useful results. Some points to be remembered. Point number 1. For any sets A, comma B and C, number 1, A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. It's true. A cross B intersection C is A cross B intersection A cross C. Okay. Number 3, A cross B minus C, A cross B minus A cross C. Number 4, A cross phi is equal to phi. Number 5, if A is the subset of B, then A cross A is a subset of A cross B intersection B cross A. Then number 6, A cross B is equal to B cross A if and only if A is equal to B. In general, we are not getting A cross B is equal to B cross A, but if you get A cross B is equal to B cross A, then A is equal to B. Okay. Number 7, A cross B intersection B cross A is equal to A intersection B cross B intersection A. Number 8, A cross B is equal to A cross C implies B is equal to C. Number 9, N of A cross B cross C N A cross NB cross NC. Okay, these important results you have to keep in mind with the help of this. Sometimes it may be asked for some things we can ask to verify also, and these results we will use to solve the problem also. Okay. Now see one question. If A is equal to A comma B such that twice A plus B is equal to 5, A comma B belongs to W. Okay, find the set. Set A. Okay. Solution. How to find out C? Given twice A plus B is equal to 5. This is given. for all a comma b belongs to w means whole numbers. This should be whole number. These are whole numbers. All a comma b is equal to whole numbers. Okay. Now if a is equal to 0, whole numbers start from 0. If you put a is equal to 0, b is equal to what? B is equal to 5. If a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3. If a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1. So our values of b is increasing, values of a decreasing. If we put b is equal to 0, we will not get a whole number. Or if we put a is equal to 3, see, be careful. If a is equal to 3, then what will get? B is equal to -1. So which is not possible. This is not possible. This is no need to show, but we have just justification. Okay. So what will be the a? A is equal to what? What will get? Why it is not possible? Because this -1 is not a whole number. Here it is given that a and b are whole numbers. So a is equal to what? 0, 5, 1, 3, 2, 1. This is the answer. Okay. I hope all of you understand. If any doubt, inbox me. I'll try to my best to make you clear. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.